We've seen a positive session for the Australian share market, and that's after Netflix over in the US rose 10%, helping the US stock market. We did see, though, copper prices at a 1-month low, and iron ore also fell, and that's all the material sector in the red. Having a look at specific stocks, and QBE riding high today on broker upgrades. The market's really seen the announcement yesterday as a rebasing of earnings from the new CEO, and now interest rates are rising and there's the possibility of divestment. They're expecting to see QBE shares well supported. So from trading under $10 yesterday to over $11 today, it was one of the top performers, up by more than 5%. Santos coming out with its quarterly production. We did see December quarterly revenue up by 14% and full year sales up by 20%, which just shows you what higher oil prices does in terms of revenue and sales. Production, though, also at the upper end of guidance, coming in at 59.5 million barrels of oil equivalent for the full year. It also helps that oil is trading at a 3-year high. Santos shares up by 1.2% today, and Kathmandu shares up by 0.5%. The company coming out to say that net profit after tax for the first half should be at least $12 million. That's higher than where it was last year in the same corresponding period. And same-store sales for 25 weeks, down 0.8%. But the highlight was that Australia was up by 1.9%, while New Zealand really letting the company down with same-store sales down by 6.4%. So all in all, a pretty positive day for the Australian share market. Gains across the board, with the main exception being the material space on that weakness that we saw in commodity prices overnight.